In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your cash transactions effectively using a simple step-by-step process. This is perfect for those who want to keep track of their cash income and expenses in a detailed yet straightforward manner. First things first, let's open your cash account. Head over to the Accounts window, and here you'll want to double-click on Cash and Wallet. If you've set up a different cash account, feel free to select that one instead. Once you do, a transaction register will pop up, acting as your digital ledger where all your cash transactions will be recorded. Moving on, let's add a new transaction. Find the first empty line in the transaction register and click on it. For those who prefer shortcuts, pressing Ctrl+T is an efficient way to get started. At this point, you'll notice fields for essential details like date, description, transfer account, and amount. These fields are crucial for organizing and understanding your cash flow. Now, let's focus on recording cash income, which is essentially money coming in. In the date field, input today's date, as this helps maintain an accurate timeline of your transactions. Next, in the description field, you might want to specify the source of this income, such as salary or gift. The transfer account field is where you categorize this income. So, if it's a salary, select Income Salary or another income category that best fits your needs. Finally, in the deposit field, enter the amount of money you've received. Once everything looks good, simply press Enter to save this information. Switching gears, let's discuss how to record cash expenses, or money going out. The process is quite similar to adding income. Start by entering today's date in the Date field. In Description, describe what you spent money on, like groceries or transportation. When you move to the Transfer account, select the appropriate category for your expense. For example, if you spent money on food, expenses, food would be a suitable choice. In the Withdrawal field, enter the exact amount you've spent. And just like with cash income, press Enter to save your entry. In conclusion, these simple steps are designed to help you meticulously monitor your cash flow, giving you a clearer picture of where your money is going and coming from. By following this straightforward process, organizing your finances can become a seamless and hassle-free part of your routine. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you take charge of your financial management.